Hello, good evening. Sob ke Nagaland Times News Channel te welcome kore ase. Notun thakse kole subscribe aro share kor diwi. Ajila first update te ase India government to 53 lakh remits viral to state sob te pakur bola ase. Itu te Nagaland p 2000 pabole allocate kuri dishe. Report itu second wave COVID-19 ke fight kurubole requirement nimite government of India to 53 lakh antiviral drug state aro union territory khan ke 21 April to 16 May te phag kurubole jonai dishe. Report antiviral drug to Nagaland aro alak state Arunachal, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim, Tripura khan to 2000 share te ase aro Assam state to 31,000 receive kurubole thakya update kuri de ase. Next ase ajitu World Red Cross Day mangi lo ase. Red Cross Day to Henry Dutton birth anniversary mark ro ase. Taibra International Red Cross Committee form kuri nidi khan ke modop movement to rakhi da nimite. Dimapur District Branch International Red Cross Society to aji greeting message jonai de ase in time of needs te modop kurubole. Aro World Red Cross Day te India Red Cross Society to itu COVID-19 situation te emergency relief khan to modop kuri ase. Aji Nagaland Post to notice release kuri dishe. Notice te Nagaland Post to 48 hours karni office to ban thakibo staff ekjon COVID-19 positive hoa nimite. 48 hours ban to ajibra effect hoi jabo hulipi online edition to as usual normal thakibo koina khobor te pai sab update kuri de ase. Next ase Tungsang police pra drug war 2 lakh aro 70,000 cash seize kuri dishe. Report guidance of SP Tungsang, Arulung Camp Police Station, Women Police Station, Crime Branch SDPO Tungsang go red Guyana, Brown Sugar Ward 2 lakh aro cash amount 70,196 kuri dishe. Khoborte 5 jon arrest kuri loise makibe ekjon milayena aro 3ta case pura Lungkham Police Station te aro ekta case pura Women Police Station Lungkham te registered kura update kuri de ase. Next ase Andhra Pradesh Kyori blast de 10 jon mori jaise aro alak bishi injured hoi jaise. Report Andhra Pradesh Kitaba district te aji Kyori without proper license no thakya operate kuri thakya tamte blast hogina 10 jon mori jaise aro alak khan jokhom hoi jaise. Report workers khan chenda drill kuri na explosive saman khan putabole thakya tamte blast hoa update kuri de ase. Next ase 7 days total lockdown to Mizoram te Monday bra sur kurubole ase. Mizoram official report hesab to Mizoram government to state te 7 days total lockdown impose kurubole jonai dishe. Impose to 4 AM 10 May bra loyena 4 AM 17 of May tak rakhibole ase. Other day interstate to khole ase returnees or visitors khan to government bra entry point khol diate hi state te enter kurubole ko ase. Returnees khan to negative te sulale bi 10 days home isolation te boibole ko ase. Lockdown to public safety aro COVID-19 chain break hobole nimite ase koina khoborte update kuri de ase. Next ase Assam Chief Minister S Sarnoval aro Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma to BJP Central Leadership ra kotha kurubole meeting call kura ase. Kunbra next 5 years Chief Minister state te kurubole nimite. Guwahati report central meeting call kura hesab te aji morning 7:15 AM bra Chief Minister aro Health Minister to BJP Central President JP Nadda ke lukurubole jaise aro 10:30 AM te tala residence te kotha kura ase kunbra next Chief Minister karni ot lobole aro itu meeting la details to rukhe ase. Next ase Tamil Nadu Chief Minister to set kuri la pichete state bal nimite scheme khan revise kuri dishe. State te into pandemic te ration card holders khan to rupees 4,000 dibole koi dishe. Rupees 3 toka Arvin milk per liter te reduce kuri dishe. Working women and girls student khan to government buses te free bra bera bole ase. UTM scheme to PPL karni banai dishe aro Chief Minister insurance scheme to COVID-19 patient khan ke expense kurubole jonai dishe. Tamil Nadu State Chief Minister to state aro country bra itu second wave COVID-19 nimite duk pa karni scheme khan to revise kuri da update kuri de ase. Next ase Union Health Minister report hesab to India to within 24 hours te 4 lakh 1078 notun cases loina country te active cases to 37 lakh 23,446 ho jaise aro 4,187 death report loina country te total death report to 2,38,270 ho jaise. Ita India te total confirmed cases to 2,18,92,678 ho jaise aro recover bra 1,79,30,960 ho ja update kuri dia ase. Ajila last update dia ase world largest cargo plane dangor oxygen plant UK bra India te anibole ase. Report hesab to UK government bra 18 ton oxygen plant India ke world te jahaz dangor ula bra pathabole ase. Report ito oxygen plant to 1 minute 500 liter oxygen produce korobole parbo aro ekbar bra 50 jon ke oxygen dibole parbo koi dia ase. Official khobor hesab to 18 ton 3 oxygen plant to Sunday te ponchi jabole nishna ase aro India Red Cross Society bra hospital te transfer korobole khobor pa hesab update korobole ase. Aro ajila update yate bra khotom kura ase sob manu take care stay safe.